every Sunday talaga. Pero eto, sad to say 4 na beses akong hindi nakapagsimba since last month talaga, promise. Hindi talaga ako nakapagsimba. Tapos ayun, magsisimba ako later kasi gusto kong makanta ng happy birthday to you, gano'n. Para at least ang daming kumakanta sa'kin ng happy birthday. Last year kasi gano'n. Thank you, Lexus. Thank you, Bey. Advance happy birthday. Thank you, guys. Talaga naiiyak na ako. Charot lang. Hindi naman. Thank you. Yes. Yes po. I remember. Advance happy birthday. Thank you. Sasa, please don't tell me what to do. Okay? If you can't give something to me, just maybe sorry if sounds rude. Maybe just shut up. Because I'm not your utusan. Thanks. Gano'n. Naka-live kasi ako guys sa BIGO then dito. So, sinama ko lang kayo be. Ay, kailangan maging thankful sila. Oo, kailangan talaga. Ay, isang cute ng lip bite nga please. Ay, ang pangit kasi Andray. Ikaw na lang ang baby ko. Ish did. Meron ako, di ano, try nyo ay ano sa akin, subscribe sa akin. Yung 495, ayan na yun. Yung 495 is direct yun sa akin, okay? Okay, okay, take care, goodbye, and see ya. Mwah. Goodbye. Take care, okay? Subscribe, dog, yes. If you want to subscribe to me, not here, but you need to download the Black app and search my name there, like Rian086, and you can find my name there. And for the 1 month, if you're my first subscriber, like magpe-first subscribe ka lang ng first time, I have over like 50% off. So, if 165, 82.50 na lang siya. So, sobrang laki na nun. Before, hindi ako nag-give ng off sa tactic ko Yes, and thank you. Thank you, thank you. Mwah! Thank you, babe. Goodbye. And work well. And ayun, yung mga perks ko dun and contents ko dun sa subscribe ko is meron akong mga, ayun, dancing, twerking like that, ganun. But don't expect too much. If ka na, magbabayad ka ng 82 for a 1 month, tas marami ka ng videos ma-access since last year. Parang, okay naman na siya for 82 pesos if you're my first subscriber. Pero kung hindi na kita first subscriber, you need to pay for whole 165. Ayan. Whole 165, you need to pay. Ayun, guys. Hi, Dandan. Hello. Hi. Hi, Nats. Thank you, MJ, for sending some flowers. Limitado, hello po. Oliver, hello. Good day, everyone. Hello. Happy Sunday, guys. And bless our day. Actually, di talaga ako nagla-lunch. As in. And every time na nagigising ako, ayun, di talaga. Kasi mas sanay akong kumain ng brunch lang or minsan once a day. Ganun lang ako kumain. Pero yung once a day na yun, be, ano na yun? Madaming kainan na yun. Like parang kasama na yung almusal, tanghalian, hapunan, lahat-lahat talaga. Kuya Pats, alam mo, kung wala kang magagandang sasabihin, pwedeng lumayas ka na dito kasi hindi ka naman kailangan dito. What your ex? Ex? Wala akong ex. Ang meron lang ako is black app, like tactic. Hindi ako gumagamit ng mga Instagram or X. Hindi ako gumagamit ng ganyan. Oh, dog. I don't have. Baby, kalma. Kinakain. Te. Guys, alam nyo, may mga lalaki talagang kulang sa pansin, no? I like your dads. Eh di salamat po. Naalala mo pa ako, Rian. Who are you po? Sorry, but hindi na eh. Kasi ang daming... Kailangan ba alalahanin ko kayong lahat? Charis lang, pero hindi naman talaga. Hindi talaga eh. Eh,